The Standard Dictionary of Contemporary Chinese, launched in 2004, recently released its 4th edition, which incorporates nearly 1,000 new buzzwords. Phrases such as new normal, free trade zone, carbon neutrality, cloud computing, and mobile payments have earned a place in the dictionary. Lexicologists say that the timely revision of the dictionary, which documents the evolution of society, could satisfy users' need for reference. Wang Xiaosong, a professor at Renmin University of China, said that the inclusion of a considerable number of phrases and buzzwords related to the economy reflects the advancements and advantages of China's economy. Zhang Yiwu, a professor of Chinese language and literature at Peking University, said that the latest version of the dictionary reflects 2 major trends: the pursuit of green and low-carbon goals in economic and social life, and the significant impact of the Internet on our daily life. According to Li Xingjian, chief editor of the dictionary, the latest edition contains more than 12,000 characters and about 72,000 phrases, presenting a comprehensive picture of contemporary Chinese vocabulary.